Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Kuda Web Channel and welcome to another class of our React course. In this class, we're gonna build our bottom component. My server is running here and let's analyze the card. I have header informations like this image and title, body informations like gender, height and mass, and here bottom information. So the component uh, will replace this part of the card. Okay, so inside the card we will create a bottom info folder. Let's create index.js and styles.js, and inside index.js of bottom, let's put some code. I will import react from react to import. No, let's copy here this icons. Let's cut these icons and paste it here, and let's create the component. Export const bottom info. We're gonna use two props, content and history. False. Content, I will provide the data from the card, and history I will provide too, but if I don't provide any data, the default state of history will be false. Okay, return container history, and here we're gonna do a conditional. Okay, if history is true, we're gonna render fa Jedi icon with class name icon, and if history is false, we're gonna render the icon fa globe Americas, class name icon, and that's it. And here I will create a div with content. Okay, content, these props. I will create here a class name content, and that's it. We have here our bottom component. It broke because let me check, just a moment please. Here we have Globe Americas. Okay, let's use these icons here too, and saving. Okay, now we have the component working. With the component, no, we have the application working. Okay, here container, we have an error because container is not defined yet, so let's define it. Import container from styles. Here I'm importing the styles of button. Okay, so let's create the structure, export container styled div and chicks, export const container, saving. Okay, we don't have the error anymore, and we have our component here. So the next step is import our button inside the card. So let's import button info from button info. Okay, and here I will replace these two h1s to button info. So first I will have here button info, and checking here the props I have available to use. I have history and content. History is a boolean. Okay, so if I put here history, for example, history true, a shortcut for this is just write history. Just write history. This button info understand that that history is true. And for content, let's write homework. Okay, we have our first button component. I will copy this, pasting. I will remove history here and put here history. Okay, saving and checking again. We have the same logic. Oops. Okay, we have the same logic we use in with the h1 titles. Okay, h1 markers, history, homework, history. Okay, in the next classes we're gonna work more inside the card, and we will improve it. Okay, I hope you like this class, guys. If you like, please subscribe and like the video, and that's it. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.